and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a random video. um, we are gonna figure out what we're gonna be doing. Apparently, it says Caitlin's room right there. You can see. Well, I'm literally, you can't really see it says Caitlin, but it wasn't really. But the cat lives in there. That's pretty much like the cat's room. And the cat's not named Kate. Her, that was just something old. But her name. Oh well, never mind. Moving on to the actual video. Okay, so we're doing something random. As you can see, I faced it towards you, and now I'm gonna move you. Yep. You dropped on ball. Boopity boop boop boop. Boom. Now low. He's gonna drag like a fishy. 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 And then we gotta tilt it upwards. And we come up here. Then we have this. This right here. We have the toy box. Yeah, the toy box. I'm standing on the toy box. Gotta get. Stand up on the bin. Yeah. Yeah. This is fun. And then. Oh. Whoa. Well, guys, that was just something I wanted to show you. But guys, there's a lot of creepy things that happen. Guys, hear that? That's what. Well, that's weird. Do you guys hear that? I'm gonna have to watch the replay, but that's really weird. But today, do you guys hear that? Do you guys hear this? Do you not hear that? Hello? Yeah. That was really weird, guys. Tell me if you see anything during this video, and let me know, alright? So, I guess. Well, yeah. I will be right back, okay? I'll just gotta go get the phone. Guys, hear the noise. Yep. Yeah, when I need it. It is. I dropped it. To a paper clip. And this is a magic trick that I learned. So what you're gonna take a big paper clip, unbend it like into a shape, like this, and just keep on going until you have the whole thing as straight as you can possibly get it. Make it straight. So eventually you'll have it, the paper clip bent like this. And then, now, I'm going to stick this through my tongue. And so I have a paper clip in my hands right here. As you can see, I have it right here. It's a normal paper clip. And then, now, I'm going to put it in my tongue. You guys ready? 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 You have it right here. Right there. And go, oh, oh, ooh. Mm. Oh man, I actually got it away. But this is what you'll need for the trick. Just gotta bend it into this shape. Pretty easy. All you gotta do is get it straight and then bend it forward and then bend this side, then bend forward again like that. Then you'll have like an L almost or an A, and then you do that, and then you have it. But so that was today's magic tricky. But there's a bunch of things you can do with this magic trick. Like you can take this right here and watch what I'm gonna do with it. Place it into my hand. Take it. Gotta place it into my hand right here. Place it into my hand. It's in my hand right here. And go 3, 2, 1. Then, ooh, and empty. But all I gotta do is just go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, would you look at that? What is that on the floor? I'm just kidding. You guys probably know how I did that. Oh my goodness me. Okay. Well, today was like a randomest video. That's what it was. Not that long. It was only 8 minutes or 9. I don't know. It's probably about like 9 minutes into the video, but don't know. But I hope you guys like my shirt. It says Z, like I'm tired, and then it says hungry right here on the hamburger. It says 3D. I was using 3D Groupon. Then this one is silly. One is robotic, and this one is super. Right here, we have super, and we have groovy. We have roar. We have cool. So, hope you guys like my shirt, and it says feeling at the top, and you pick which one you're feeling. So it says feeling hungry, feeling tired, feeling 3D, feeling cool, whatever you want. But so this was a random video today, but hope you guys enjoyed anyway. So yeah, see ya. in the next one. Goodbye. Oh, and subscribe to this video and leave a like, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't ever miss one of my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.